How to use Zoho Projects Pro properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zoho Projects Pro is a powerful project management platform, but most beginners make critical mistakes that waste time and reduce efficiency. The surprising truth is that just having a pro account doesn't guarantee smooth project execution. It's all about how you use it. The first mistake is not setting up proper project templates. Many users start every project from scratch, which leads to inconsistent workflows and wasted time. Zoho Projects Pro allows you to create reusable templates for tasks, milestones, and phases. For example, using a template for client onboarding ensures every step is tracked and nothing falls through the cracks. Another common error is underutilizing task dependencies. Beginners often create tasks without linking them, causing confusion about what needs to happen first. By setting task dependencies, you can visualize project flow, avoid bottlenecks, and ensure deadlines are met. A third mistake is neglecting time tracking. Zoho Projects Pro includes built-in time tracking, but many users ignore it. Accurately tracking hours helps monitor productivity, manage budgets, and generate precise reports for clients or management. Collaboration is another area where beginners falter. Failing to use comments, file attachments, and notifications leads to miscommunication. Zoho Projects Pro allows seamless team collaboration within tasks, so all updates, files, and discussions are in one place, reducing email overload. Finally, some users overlook analytics and reporting. Zoho Projects Pro provides detailed dashboards and reports on task progress, resource utilization, and project health. Ignoring these metrics prevents you from identifying delays or optimizing workflows. To use Zoho Projects Pro effectively, set up reusable templates, define task dependencies, track time accurately, encourage team collaboration, and monitor analytics. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your projects run smoothly, deadlines are met, and your team stays productive.